I grew up in a place.
Slow down, pull and push to your left. Stay on your lane. That's it. Check the road ahead. Turning right at the end of the road. Road position. That's it. Entering a T section. Check both ways. Right and left. Left and right. Clear, I can go. Stay on your lane. Pull and push to your right. Good. Take the next left. Next left. Indicate. Mirror check. Shoulder. Eyes on the road. Observing the road ahead. Pasok ka. That's it. Road position. Huwag masyado sa right. That's it. Turn right tayo dyan ha. T-section. Back on your lane. T-section again. Check both ways. Clear. I can go. Turn right. Right, right, right. Huwag masyadong late ha. Good. Go straight. End of the road. Turn left. Turn left. End of the road. Slow down, approaching a vehicle. Road position. Good. Back in your lane. Angle to the left. Stop right here. Check your right. Clear. Let's go. Oh.
Classmate.
Very good. Classmate. Sige, turn ka left. Check the road ahead. Do I have to give way? Nope. Proceed. What's the speed ahead?
50.
Yeah, turn left. Mirror check. Shoulder check. Eyes on the road. Angle to the left. Huwag lalampas sa broken line. Angle. Stop right here. Give way. Check your right. Very clear. I can go.